In today's video, I'm going to discuss about to find out the reaction forces when the UDL is acting. Let us consider this cantilever beam. So in this cantilever beam, it is subjected to 2-point load, 20 kilonewton as well as 10 kilonewton. And along with that, there is a UDL acting. Okay, whenever the UDL is given, what is this UDL? UDL is it's a uniformly distributed load, and it is a rate of loading here. And then first we need to convert this UDL into the point load. First thing is we need to convert this UDL into the point load. So how to convert this UDL into the point load? So the magnitude of the point load, it is equal to the, you have to multiply the UDL into the length of the span on which the UDL is acting. So what is the UDL? It is 4 kilonewton per meter. And what is the length? It is not the total length of the beam. No, it is the UDL. This UDL is acting only on the span of 2 meter. Only this length you have to consider. 4 into 2. It is how much? 8 kilonewton is the magnitude of the point load which is acting on the beam when you convert the UDL. Okay. And the next is where this point load is acting. This point load is acting. This point load, so I have drawn the same thing over here, and I will take this point as A, here this as B, C and D. So it is contacted, it's ever fixed at point A. So I will write here as the reaction at the point A. So all the forces are acting downward. UDL is also acting, this point load is also acting downward. So we consider the direction of this reaction force is acting in the upward direction. And we are remaining the thing, that is 10 kilonewton is acting downward and 20 kilonewton is acting downward. When it comes to the UDL, so we have a span of 2 meter. The point of application of this point load will be, it is exactly of middle of this span. It's exactly middle. 2 meter is there, so you have to consider 1 meter from the point A, and from B point it is exactly 1 meter. Means exactly it is acting middle of the span. 2 meter is there, it is acting middle, means 1 meter on the left side and 1 meter on the right side. Okay, on the both the side it is equally distributed. And what is the magnitude of this point load? It is 8 kilonewton. So you have to represent the UDL in this way. First, when it is giving the UDL, first thing you have to do is converting that UDL into point load. Multiply the magnitude of the UDL into the length. You will get the magnitude of this point load. Okay, and what is the application point of application? So this magnitude, this point load will be acting exactly middle of the 2 meter, exactly middle of the 2 meter, 1 meter this side and 1 meter this side. So here only one unknown we have, so we will use only the summation of the forces. Equilibrium of forces is equal to 0. So we will take upward as positive, downward as negative. Okay, next, so RA plus RA minus 8 point load minus 20 minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore RA is equal to how much? 38 kilonewton. This is the reaction force which is acting at the fixed end of the cantilever beam. The second problem that I am going to